Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got free Hot Wheels. Today we are gonna open. So yeah, I've been having these cars for a while. So now we are gonna open these cars. So yeah, let's jump into it. First, we got the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Looks pretty nice. Here's the back of the car. Pretty nice. You know, we got the side. You know, everything. Oh yeah, let's open it. There we go. And it's open. There we go. Whoa, this is a cool Bentley. Here it is, guys. Look at that Bentley. Like, wow, guys. I really love the color on the Bentley. The Bentley has this really nice dark green color. I also love the little logo, Bentley logo on the top. It also says 100 Bentley. It's also got these like white kind of like strips on the car. And this car's paint job it's like honestly like really good. I really like it. The car is just like, I don't know, it looks really nice. Tires are good, the front is good. Like everything about this car is like pretty nice, except for the windshield. It's kind of damaged, but that doesn't really matter, guys. But still, this is a pretty good car. If you ever find this, make sure to buy this one. This is pretty cool. Next car we got is another 2018 Bentley, but this one has a little bit different color. It also has a message on the back. Take a look. If you can read that, here, I'll just let you read it. There we go. So it says guarded for life, limited lifetime warranty. It's the see back for details. So yeah, let's open this up. Okay, here is the Bentley. Here's the 2018 Bentley. It's the same. It's basically the same exact thing, but with a different color. I don't know. I think this car is kind of ugly. I don't know. I just didn't really like this car. I don't like the green and the white. You know, it doesn't match up with the car. But this is this is really good. But this is not so good. You know. But this one is okay. You know. But this one is way better. So I recommend you to buy this one instead of this one. So I bought it because obviously it's a Bentley, so why not? So yeah, it's a pretty nice car. It's got the same details as the other one, which it's okay. You know, it's pretty cool. It's got a green color. It got some black on the side. Nothing much about this car. Yeah. Got two Bentleys. The last car we got is Acura. I remember I opened a red one of this one. So let's take a look. We got the front. It is from the Hot Wheels Turbo. Hot Wheels Turbo. And there's the back. And if we take a look here, this one is from Hot Wheels Race Day. These two. So let's pop this guy up. Oh, here it is, the Acura. If you take a look at this Acura is really beautiful. I really love the design. The tires don't really like match up with it. The tires are good, but I think Hot Wheels could have done a little bit better. But honestly, this car is pretty nice. I really love a very shiny green. It's very sparkly. Hot Wheels honestly did a really good job on this Acura. It's just like the beautiful color on it. They also detailed the logo really nice. Even on the back of the car, they also detailed the logo too. That is pretty nice. I love the sunroof on the car, and it's got this. It has the engine in the back, and which is pretty nice, you know. But yeah, this is a pretty good. It's a pretty good Hot Wheels car. If I had to rate it, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's not bad, but it's good. Pretty nice. But yeah, guys, just need a boom, 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 boom. And oh yeah, I forgot, guys. Here, I got a new Hot Wheels shirt from Blue Notes. But yeah, guys, if you guys want to buy the same shirt as me, you can go. There's a store called Blue Notes. Blue Notes is a really good store. They have all like types of shirts. You know, not really all types, but they got pretty good shirts. So that's where I found this shirt. If you want to buy it, I might put the shirt in the link in the description. Maybe not really. I'm not sure, but you can go to Blue Notes and get this cool shirt for like at least like $14 or something. But yeah, bye guys. But yeah, make sure to Hey guys, but yeah, little message. Make sure to go check out my game channels, Mirror Gaming 101. And yeah, hope you have a good day. And but yeah, bye bye. And these cars keep on falling. Okay, thank you.